Hey carpet cleaners and cleaning business owners, John here, and in this video I'm going to be exploring which are the best platforms on the internet right now to advertise, promote and market your cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name is John Williams and I run a company called Ads Grow Business, or AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting cleaning business owners like you booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in and look at what are the best platforms right now to advertise your cleaning business. Cool, so let's dive right in. So basically right now there are a number of platforms and avenues that you can use and leverage to advertise your cleaning business, right? So there's several, there's all the ones that we already know, and we'll get into those in a minute, your Facebooks, your Googles, but there's also a lot of new social media platforms like TikTok, you've got Snapchat and a few others as well that have come to the fore recently. And we're going to be looking today in this video as to whether they're a viable solution and whether they're worthwhile investing in paid advertising on those platforms. There are a number of other services, things like Home Advisor, Thumbtack, and stuff like that as well, which also offer lead generation services. So let's start at the beginning. Let's talk about the various lead generation platforms that exist specifically for service-based businesses. Your Thumbtack, your Angie's List, your Home Advisor. Groupon is another one. My advice would be to not go near any of those. I believe that a Home Advisor at the moment is going through the process of getting sued. You end up sharing leads and it's all about like the highest bidder or the lowest bidder, and it's just like a scrum to see who can basically win that job amongst all the people that this lead has been shared with. With Groupon, for example, you have to like discount your prices by 75%, charge virtually nothing, and then out of the money that you do make, which is virtually nothing, you have to give half of that away to Groupon plus fees. So again, it's ridiculous and it's completely unviable. And I actually did another video on YouTube where I was talking about Groupon specifically. There's carpet cleaners that are still advertising on it, and to be brutally honest, I've got no idea how it's even possible that they're actually able to advertise on it and make a living or make some kind of a profit. It's completely ridiculous. So a lot of these sort of very specific lead generation platforms like that, I would avoid like the plague, because you'll just have a bad time. You're better off leveraging some of the more mainstream advertising channels like your social media, like your Instagram, your Facebook, your TikTok and stuff like that, because when you're leveraging those more widespread channels, those more mainstream channels, first of all, you've got a bigger audience of people that you're getting in front of. You're getting in front of the general public, not just people that are looking on Groupon, right? Like you're getting in front of the world at large, first of all. Second of all, you're in complete control over it. You're not sharing leads or anything like that. Do you know what I mean? So whether that's learning how to do it and setting it up yourself, or whether it's leveraging the expertise and knowledge of a specialist marketing company like ours to kind of do it for you, leveraging these mainstream advertising channels is far better, in my opinion, than using some of these, specific service-based lead generation websites like Home Advisor and Groupon. Like I say, you've got more control over it, not sharing leads with anybody, and you're getting in front of a broader and a wider audience as well. So let's take a look now at the various options in terms of the different channels that are available, which is the most viable. So first up on the screen here, we've got TikTok. Now TikTok is like blowing up massive at the moment. Loads of people are talking about it. A lot of people are saying it's like Facebook when it first came out. You can get amazing results for like very little money. This is like the new like go-to platform. You need to be advertising on there and stuff like that. And if you're not, you're stupid. You see a lot of people like Gary Vee talking, hey man, you need to be getting on TikTok TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. However, the question is it right for the cleaning industry? And we've got some actual stats here. This is legit stats, 2022, of the user base worldwide, certainly in the USA, in terms of the demographics for TikTok. And I think TikTok is a great option if you're a brand, like a clothing brand, if you are a fashion brand, anything like that. I think it's a huge option, right? Because, previously people were advertising on Facebook, on Instagram and stuff like that. Those costs have now risen. The demographics changed. And so if you leverage TikTok and you've got a brand like an e-commerce store, like an online clothes shop, something like that, then you're going to get a really good reach with this, and you're going to get a really good bang for your buck, so to speak, with your advertising. However, I don't think it's the right platform yet for carpet cleaning or cleaning businesses. And the reason for that is if you look at the demographics that we see on the screen right here, you look at the statistics around the age. Most users are between 10 and like 29. Now, if we look at the first column, most 10 to 19 year olds are not going to be interested in cleaning services. Like at that age, you still live at home with your parents, and it'll be your parents that'll be booking the carpet cleaning or the house cleaning or the tile cleaning or the driveway pressure washing or whatever it is. When you're between the ages of 10 to 19, you're going out, hanging out with your friends, you're going to school, you're going to college and stuff like that, and you don't live on your own typically, and you don't have money to be booking cleaning services. Now let's look at the next demographic, 20 to 29. Again, when you're in your 20s, it's all about dating, going out, having a good time, partying. Typically, you might be living in student accommodation. Typically at that age, you're not in a position to own your own home yet. I mean, I'm generalizing here, but so you're in rented accommodation. So it's going to be your landlord that's going to be paying for the cleaning, not you, right? And you're probably going to be living in an apartment, and you're kind of starting out in your career. You might be working in a clothes store or grocery store, so you're not probably earning that much whilst you're kind of figuring out like what you want to do with your life, and you're on that career tree. Maybe you're an intern somewhere. So having the money for cleaning probably isn't even on your radar to hire some kind of carpet cleaner or clean services. It's typically this demographic from 30 to kind of 50, 60 plus that typically are your ideal customers in the cleaning industry, because it's at that age in your very late 20s, early 30s onwards, where typically maybe you've got married, maybe at this point you've had a kid, maybe at this point like you've got your own home, maybe you've got a pet, maybe you're well into like your career journey and you've got the sort of job that pays reasonably well and things like that. And so it's normally this age range that are going to be like your ideal customer, that are going to have the budget to hire a company like yours and have the need as well to hire a company like yours. And as we can see here, when it comes to TikTok, the ideal demographic for a cleaning customer is actually the lowest engaged age range on TikTok. So my thoughts are, if you were to put like a carpet cleaning ad on TikTok, you're probably going to get in front of a lot of 10 to 20 year olds, but a very small amount of 30, 40 year olds. As it stands right now, might not be right this second the best platform for the cleaning industry. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description below where you'll find a link to schedule a call with us on Zoom, where we'll walk you through everything and get you signed up. See you on the next one, guys. Peace.